You look beautiful, in the marriage attire and everything. And your hands are looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. So
Yeah.
how are you doing, and how is it going?
It's going great for me. It's all good. This Corona time is going on, and we are getting a lot of time for ourselves to spend with our own, selves and see ourselves. So it's wonderful for me. And today
Lovely.
I want to tell all of our audiences like we have Priyanka Roy with us. She's an actor, she's a Kriya Yogi, she's a spiritual guru, and her students call her Guru Ma. And she's a martial art teacher. She has won 3 gold medals in martial arts, and she's a Sufi devotional singer. Priyanka ma'am, we would love to hear one song from you in the end for sure. And her movie is also coming soon, which is Night and Fog. We wish you all the very best for the movie. And she has done more than 500 shows in India, and it's my pleasure to have you with me. So, Priyanka ma'am, today we would like from you is like my first question to you is like this is the Corona pandemic going on, so where people are even suffering from the mental pandemic. So there's a lot of depression. People are losing their job, their business. The money they have saved is going out. What is your roadmap for all of them? What advice would you like to give, to all the viewers? So we would like to hear it from you.
uh, Tanvi, I'll call you Ma. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Every girl, every woman, the Shakti is like a Ma or a daughter.
Yeah.
No?
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely. You're very right. Yeah,
You're my daughter also. You're my Ma also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Yeah,
for me, in my practice, your name is not.
yes.
Your name does not exist for me.
Yeah.
What exists is your being, who you are from inside.
Yes.
And I call you with the common name, how I call rest of my people, rest
Sure.
of my being, my pals around me. No?
Sure. Anything will you
Yeah.
you would like to call me with, yeah.
So, first of all, I know this is for people, this is very difficult time, and they had never expected in this, at least in past 10 years and next 10 years, nobody had thought, especially our generation, that something like this we will face. No?
Yes, very true.
Yeah. So we were not prepared at all. No?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
It's a very sudden
So,
thing which comes up, you never know out of circumstance.
yes, but do you tell me one thing, Ma? Like, you get up in the morning, you see sun. By evening, it gets darker, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, whatever has happened, like whether it is man-built or nature-built, don't you think like this, that this is nature? This is part of creation. And can you fix up the nature?
No.
Is it possible to fix the nature?
No.
Can you change it? Can you make it night now in the morning? Can you make
No, we can't do it.
So unfortunately, what I see where we are all lacking, especially to this our generation and people even above our generation, people have forgotten the basics of nature.
True.
So someday can be tsunami, someday can be cyclone. In some time there will be a beautiful sweet breeze. You can do like this and just relax. But in the same, in few minutes, you can be in somewhere else. This
Yeah.
is nature. So what happens when we don't accept nature, and when from the childhood our mother, father, relatives, school teacher, they just teach us only one thing: competitiveness, your target, your goal. You have to go above, you have to go above than your friend, you have to go above than your sister, brother, above and above and above, and then you reach above. That's where your brain stops working.
True, true, true. Very true. Yeah, Priyanka,
So,
right. I completely agree. Yes.
So there you are totally gone. Your goal is dancing on your head, and you are just going gaga.
Yeah, true.
So when your goal does not happen the
Yeah.
way you had expected, because now nature has interrupted in between, and your plan failed because today you planned for some sort of, you'll go to some country and you'll be doing this, that, lot of a long list. I see my all friends, they have. I
Yeah.
am sure your friends also they have.
True.
And I'm sure many of us among here, they also have. So the list has, unfortunately, the list
Very
has
long.
failed.
Yes.
Yes, and fortunately for some people, there is a new list.
True.
So the new list people are the people who knows what's happening and who have accepted this completely with the welcoming the nature.
Yes.
Yeah, with welcoming the nature, because they know this is also even not permanent.
True, true. Yeah, very, very
This is
right.
temporary.
I completely agree with
Yeah,
you. Yes.
yeah. So anything, whatever you see, is just for a time being, and one must learn to be joyful in anything, however it is. Okay, when you go against the nature and you try to fix it up on your rules and regulations, because your conditioning is like that, like your mother is saying, father is saying, friend is saying, see, your sister got so many marks, you didn't get it. You are just going against it. Yeah, and you will go mad inside, not in the right way. This is not that maddening. This is something where you get very depressive. You get anger. You get against yourself. You're not with yourself. You're not on your breath. You are on people's breath. They have the regulator,
Yes.
and they are just putting. They're just putting one. You are like, and two, you go mad. Three. So it is like, Tanvi, if you know how to drive the car, do you know how to drive?
Yeah, I know.
So you know the.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
so
your
how
point. What
the
you're saying. Yes, yes.
It's like a gear. So your gear is with people, and you are not with yourself. So it's all the time you are getting bored because you're with people. You're not with yourself. Your choices are chosen by people, not by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You are completely depending, not you're actually not there only within yourself. So everything is from out. Okay, so that's what happens when you do not accept the nature. I feel we have the whole this whole era has most of us have lost it. The whole game. The game is somewhere else, and everybody wants to be. I must tell you this. I am not much active on Instagram. Either my husband posts it, or if I really feel, I will post it by myself. Being an actor, I'm still in some. It doesn't happen to me. It is not me because that's my profession. Okay?
Yeah, true.
So, yeah. So it cannot dance on my head.
Yeah.
What I am, nature has pulled me into that.
True.
And you have to accept that part, and the whole anger, the riot, the everything you see at the moment around the world, black, white, fight, or killing, robbery, unfortunately the rape, which is very unfortunate. This is all because we have lost the game. We have lost the sense of living. We have lost the part of creation. We are now thinking we are above than the creator. No?
Yeah, very true. Yeah. We don't know only what creator and creation is, you know. We are just doing our own nonsense all the time.
So even some of them are like this. They don't care even about the creator or even about the creation. It's the whole thing is about them. Morning, night. They are just.
What about me?
It's
always about what about me. Yes.
Me. So it's like that all the time. So when you are totally lost, then you have certain kind of anger. You will think everybody's against you. You're just feeling this beautiful instrument, this whole instrument which has many different kind of tools with all garbage.
True.
All trash, complete trash. It's like, it's a kind of trash which is, which in this century, we have reached to that level. I can surely challenge this, but I am not the kind of person who would go in challenges and such kind of foolishness.
Yeah, okay? True.
But we have lost it because this is not going to progress. This, if people say one guru is coming, I will come, or this guru or that guru, I do not have this respect for anybody. Okay, I have respect for everyone, but it is not just going to happen within, with one thing, because the basic. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there, Priyanka. I'm listening to you.
Yeah. So the foundation of the schooling, the way we used to go to, if you have read the books, going to, like ashram, to study and finding that basic course. This should be like this, that everybody, the way should be spiritual,
True.
You start with, because spirituality, what people have understood, they think putting their child in spiritual, culture, it's something that's separating from the society, from the competition, until they become like
maniacs,
so everybody wants to be in this game of the digital space, which is very beautiful, but this is dancing on people's head. And when this does not turn out to be a business, you get mad. Oh my God, I'm still not in the front.
True. Yeah, I completely.
How can I? So even the children, even little ones, you see phone 24 hours and
24/7.
Likes. We all know that likes, follow is all just coming like that.
And Priyanka, they're allergic to nature, I've seen few kids who say we are allergic to sun. If we go out in the nature, something comes out on our skin. So I was like, where you are planning to go like this? Yeah, if you're not connected with the creation itself, right? The very way you are saying. I completely agree,
It's the problem, as I said, has happened because of the foundation.
True.
What I feel, honestly, if the child is taking birth, a beautiful baby is taking birth, what it is carrying already, the baggage that's there, the memory, okay, which will be there, and then the new memory is coming from learning, conditioning, and then once the whole can is filled up with trash, how can you change?
True.
You cannot. It is not possible to change once you are 15, 16, 17. It's not. So what I meant, Tanvi, the basic necessity is change. if you go instead of school to Gurukul, take the education the way it used to be, and then you go to the schools where you have all the boards, all kind of, whether it is NCRT board or anything. Okay. So what will happen? The child has a knowledge from the basic. He knows his own culture. He is very much touched with that soil, and he will not fly when he will touch those things. Everything will be normal for that person. So I feel honestly, more than the schools and colleges, we need Gurukul in the beginning, and then we need colleges and schools. So everybody, the whole society knows that, okay, this has come, we have to be normal, we don't have to go mad.
True, yeah. It's like, first of all, how to handle ourselves, our mind, our thoughts, our emotions, and then you go out and perform in the world, you will be a better person. And we need that education system designed in such a way, rather than just a competitive world, where just people are going for the competition to be better than others. It shouldn't be like this. I totally agree with you, Priyanka.
So that is the thing. The basic, if we change the basic nurture, nurturing them from the beginning. How like you see like this, if you go and plant a tree, now what is the surrounding and what you are feeding inside during that plantation, it depends on that. No?
True, very true.
So if you're planting in a kind of place where everything is just about outer layer, so the instrument is just operating from there. It is not touching the potential. It is not touching the creation at all. At all. It is not just the creation. You become something else.
True.
Once you become a part of creation, you become very simple.
True.
You have nothing. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen,
it's
still
okay.
There is no anger. Yeah.
It's like, first of all, it's very, very important. I completely agree with you, Ma. Whatever you are saying, I'm completely in line with that. Even I feel the same, First and foremost, you should know how to handle your own self, how to deal with your own self. Then whatever comes to your way is not a challenge. It's not a problem. It's good, it's okay. It's not good, then also it's okay. And we should have that foundation from the beginning itself. And these days, people have been we have been teaching people about the competition, how to be better than other, how to earn more than this, how to have a better car than your neighbor.
It's only about,
all about
unfortunately, it's only about feeling that I'm better than the other.
True. And you're just doing
it's a very wrong mode. It's not a right mode.
Yes, very true.
It's not simplicity. It's not simplicity. It comes from the complex nature. It comes from the emotions where you have jealousy, you have so much of greed. This is coming from greed, completely greed. This is not something which is right for this instrument, because you are all the time fighting with yourself. You have no acceptance about your own nature.
True. Yeah. You don't know about yourself only. What you know is about the peers and people surrounded by you. You don't know your own self, and what you know is how much you are having peer influence on you, what your parents are teaching you, that you have to be better than others, and then it becomes a race of life. And you're just part of that rat race endlessly, and the misery is bound to come to you. I completely agree.
Yes, so you become part of the rat race.
Yeah.
The another rat in the crowd who learns that morning to night, you have to compete with your fellows.
True.
Even with your brother, sisters.
Even with your brother, sister, very true. It's like that.
That's why, if you see it, Tanvi, there is so much of fight in the families.
Yeah, that's true.
You don't become less you just becoming more, and you can't handle yourself.
You can't.
If you become less, you become compact, you become more.
Yeah. Yeah, I completely agree. Yes, yes. Yeah.
But you want to first spread, and you can't handle yourself. It is like this.
Yeah.
You just become out of yourself very little, and you see how simple it is. It is
True.
that beautiful.
That's that beautiful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I completely agree. No, definitely, yeah. So, Ma, it's like I completely agree with you what you are saying. Like, this is how the system is. So that's why, we want to bring that drop of spirituality and yoga to people so that they should learn to, deal with their own self, with their own mind, thought and emotion. Unless and until you won't learn to deal with this, misery is endless. You are just a part of this competitive world, and where you are just striving to be better than others. And it's not going to be lasted for very long, so it's very, very difficult. And I just completely agree with you. There's another question, Priyanka, which I wanted to ask you is about the yoga. Like, you are a Kriya yogi, and I'm also a Isha yoga practitioner. We also do Kriya yoga, the practices which I do, which works on your energy system. And I would like to know what all practices you do, and from where you have learned those practices, how many hours in a day you are devoting to this, and what exactly it's all about. So I tell you something in a different maybe you understand this. Normally, if you see, Tanvi, there are a lot of languages. Yes. Yeah? People have just put labels that this is that, so you can acknowledge that's milk and that's coffee. True. Right? Yeah. Without labeling, you did not know. Yeah? Yeah. So, for me, yoga is, if you ask me, for me, yoga is not just that. True. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Completely. Yeah. Yoga is discipline. Yoga is your breath. How you are 24 hours with the creation. Mm-hmm. You don't leave your consciousness. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. Yoga is, though we do 4 types of yoga. I mean, normally, if I put on label A, B in my chemistry lab, we make it so difficult for the normal, for the people who are not so aware about it. That's why they run away. Yes. This is very simple. True. This is very simple, but yet it is not. Yes, it is not. Yeah? Yeah, very true. I agree. So this is very simple, yet it is not. You don't need to put so much on it that people become, they think this is some rocket science and I will have to escape from my regular life. Yeah. It's not like that. Yeah. If you need to balance your energy, you just don't do anything. Yeah. Just don't try. There was this Zen master, Lao Tzu. So if you know about I've heard of his name. Yes. Yeah. So he used to say this, that you don't try. Yeah, just simply do nothing. Yeah. Don't try. If you try, after some time, the balloon will just go directionless, and only it will fill up all the thoughts that why am I doing this? So the basic is to just sit. True. And do nothing. You just sit Yes.
and close your eyes or open your eyes and watch everything.
Yeah.
You will see how in everything there is the label called God.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Which you have named God, Goddess, or I don't know what all. So you will see if you're practicing from how long?
3 years, more than 3 years now. I'm very regular with my practices, so yeah.
Okay. So if you understand more than the physical being, that Guru is your breath.
Yeah, I know that. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So your Guru will take you ahead.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You just sit and just whatever you believe in, you want to chant, whatever you want to do, you just do that. You'll simply fall there. If you will say big names, you do this yoga, you do that yoga, this I do this, that. For normal being who is just new in your normal language, who is a new Atma probably, will not get this all because time hasn't come.
True.
Understand this. This is just the whole system is working. It's a science.
True. Yeah.
In the normal language, it's a godly science.
Yeah.
Okay. So, in the simple language, whoever has understood this, it's just simple. Okay.
Yeah.
We make it complicated with different names. I am having this, that. But ultimately, the message and that key is there, which has to just fix in to the right hole.
True. Yeah.
Once you are there, it's just in the trance. There is nothing which can move you from that.
True. And hello.
So ecstatic. You are still. Yeah. Can you hear?
Yeah. I just lost you for a second, but now it's fine.
Yeah. So it is just like you blossom day by day. You blossom, and it's like key is going inside, going inside, and one day the door opens fully.
Yeah.
It's fully awakened now. You're in the trance and you become ecstatic.
Yeah.
Now you have touched what you used to name all big names.
Yeah.
That creator, God, and everything.
True.
Because now you are inside.
Yes. I agree. Like you are saying, Priyanka, the yoga is not about turning and twisting your body into various directions, and I completely agree with the cosmos.
But
yes.
let me complete this. For some people, the beings who cannot handle this ecstatic part,
yes,
they must go. You must shift them to Hatha Yoga.
Hatha Yoga. Yes.
Yeah. So they where they have this foundation. I have so many. My husband is my student, and I tell you, he is very allergic to chili. Okay, and the people who have foundation and limitations, they think this is. They are all the time in their mind. They are not beyond the mind. They have not understood what is actually mind. Mind is your activity. Mind is, if you don't pay attention, it does not exist. And rest of the part is the brain. The whatever is there in the memory, if you want to work on that, it's okay. If you don't want to work on that, again, it's okay. It's completely up to you. So, when people have mindset, which you call in today's language, like I see big names, they are this talker, this platform, that platform, you know what I mean. So because I feel that's also there in today's world, you have to do it.
Yeah, true.
So it's not something wrong. As long as you know how to operate that, you must do it. So when somebody has that mindset that I can only lift it this much, not more than this, then you shift to Hatha Yoga, because there is a practice where you go beyond, you go the limitation, beyond the limitation of your own body.
True. Yes.
So, yeah, you start touching that all, which you used to think, I can only do this much.
Yeah. Because you're breaking your own limitations of your body, and then when you go beyond that, and then you realize your true potential comes in front.
But ultimately, you have to go beyond the body.
Yes, agree, yeah. Yes.
You have to leave these bones and all that you're thinking is real, going to stay for long.
No, that's true.
It's also like Corona temporary.
Yeah, it's also temporary. And at times, what I have even seen, at times you don't have that control because you stay in that environment, and at times you have that peer influence also. But again, once you go back to the reality, and then you understand, nothing is permanent, everything is temporary. This is also a phase of life. So this too shall pass, and that's how it goes. And I completely agree with you. So Priyanka, I would like to know, there's another question is like, that the yoga which you do, the Kriya Yoga which you do, because this is always there, when we have to initiate people into yoga, they always ask this one question, what will happen to me? So this is one thing which I wanted to ask you, how it has helped you living life to the fullest, how it has helped you making your personal and professional life better, what role yoga is playing into your life. So this is one question which I would love you to address for the audience, so that they can have imbibe this practice within them. At least they should start with some kind of yogic practice into their life, so that they can experience some part of it at least.
Tanvi, lot of people, they get confused because of my profession. Okay. Yeah. So I must first bring that thing in the notice that I am a yogi by birth, and this is what is my identity since childhood. I left my home when I was just 11. Yeah.
Okay.
And my father he just passed away 1 year, 7-8 months ago in December, and he and everybody got worried because I won gold medal in martial arts. He wanted me to be cricketer. He was an ex-cricket umpire who played a great role in building up Pirojshah Kotla ground. And a lot of I don't know, like people get they have their celebrity cricketers, they name it. So my father built them up, their career. But of course, for the parents, as a girl who looks okay and leaving the home in the age of 11, it's strange. What I recognized about myself, that though I was modeling everything, this is what is coming out. This is me, but what am I doing? Seeing models, seeing how you go to the shoot in childhood, as a child model, doing something. I'm going to dance class, doing jazz and ballet. I'm watching everything. But there was always this, that this is the kind of behavior I saw in near my surrounding, you can say. It is not me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah, true. I agree.
So, yeah. So I thought, if this is not me, then I must find out what is me.
True.
I was very scared when I left my home with one bag in the night, 1 o'clock. There were some incidents in childhood in my family with me, so I was scared because I understood that this is not me, and I would never ever learn these all things. However, the pressure is. So I was very worried. I left, and fortunately, I have learned everything on my own. Everything on my own.
Where did you go?
Yes,
Priyanka?
I went to one of my. I had made a sister in some birthday party. She was quite elder to me. Okay. So I had her address, everything. I have gone. She was stopped at the door. She said, "With whom you have come at night, 12:30, quarter to 1?" I was like, "I'm alone." But I'm very thankful to universe that night she gave me place.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would have. I don't know. But I know one thing: if you leave it to the universe and you do not worry what will happen to you, it will flow. Everything is just there. You just let the universe operate. You don't interrupt. You don't put your leg inside.
Yeah, that's true. Yes. You don't keep on asking, God, give me this, give me that. Just let it happen. Yes.
Don't ask anything.
Don't
You're already given with the beautiful instrument, no?
Yes.
Learn how to trust.
Yes.
Learn to trust. First you have that trust, that without that guilt.
Yeah, I completely agree. Yes.
Yeah. So I understood this is not me, but I did not stop working. Okay. So for me, belonging to such a family where there is wealth, name, leaving that, where I am also earning in childhood 100 rupees, 50 rupees from modeling, from whatever it is, from some movie to doing nothing, just sitting there in the scene. It is a big thing that a child is leaving that all and going just to explore.
It's a very big thing. At such a young age, you just left home and went out. And,
So my mother is still angry because I never went back. And I go and visit because what I believe that was only still there. Till I little bit grew up, it was only till there. Okay. Rest I had to flow with what was given instruction.
Priyanka, how was the life after that? You were so young, you went there. What you did?
It was very scary. Everything was how the world operates. Things can happen to you. But if, as I said, if you have a trust on your instrument, and if there is nothing, there is no guilt, then there is a God which is saving you all the time. That is your own part. Okay. So even if you, because this, any profession is like that. Okay. Even if you reach, or any people meet you, like they are in some other world.
True.
So you know what I'm talking.
Yes.
So you cannot just say, this is that. This is. You just simply move out.
Yeah.
Like you entered the wrong door.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's just the wrong door. Sorry. So you should not be desperate and let not your profession hands on your head.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody forces for nothing. Let me tell you this. You only, this is your own tandav going on inside
In your
that, yeah, that person pushed me, this person did that. Nobody's doing anything. It's just you. If something, you're walking, tomorrow there is a shit on the road. You just skip that part and you walk paying attention, no?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
you step on it and you step and then you say, this thing happened to me. You pay attention, you pay attention. You don't step on it, you just walk. Keep walking. Just be aware from all the angles what is happening. Observe but don't judge.
Yeah. True, very true. Observe but don't judge. Yeah, I completely take that. Yes.
Observe but don't judge, and because you don't understand, this creation is like this, that everybody is made of some sort of baggage. They have landed to this place with baggage. That's why they have landed. No?
True.
If they didn't have baggage, why would I come?
Yeah, true.
Yeah?
Yes.
So if you have baggage, you're coming in and now you say, this happened with me, that happened with me. Ma did like that, Ma did this. Yeah? Though the childhood was very, very tough. Okay?